Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this super cute Halloween Hershey Nugget box with the Frightfully Cute bundle. This is the Frightfully Cute bundle. It has these super cute Halloween images and sayings like "Which way to the candy with the witch?" Anyway, it also has these cute dies. So you've got these extra dies. My favorite is the spider die, but I also like the label die. I use the label die a lot. And there's a tree die, hat, stars, fence, owl, tags, and labels. And then this die is the only one that cuts something out of the stamp set, which is kind of interesting to me. I wish they had dies that cut out all the other images. That would be nice, but all these other dies are super cute. So I'm going to show you how to create this little nugget box, and it's a slider box, and it can slide both ways, but it's super cute. And then you get to wrap up all of your nuggets in the cute Halloween paper. But I'm going to show you the template that I made for the box. It's a 7x4 piece of cardstock, and I'm just gonna get my trimmer and show you the scores that I made. So the first one is at 3/4. So I'm just gonna go 3/4, and then 1.5, and then 5.5. And I do need to open this to get to the 6.25. Okay. And then this way, we are gonna do 1/2. Let's see. Yeah, 1/2. And then 1.25. And then 2 3/4, and then 3.5. Okay, so those are all of our score lines for the bottom nugget piece right there. And then we have the slider wrap. So we need to score that too. So the first score is at 1 inch. And then we've got 1 7/8, and then 3 3/8, and 4.25. Okay, so this is going to wrap around the nugget box, and it is the Cute Halloween Designer Series paper. So just fold on all of those, and that'll create the wrap. So we'll put that on in a moment. And if you want to take a picture, screenshot, there's the scores for the nugget slider wrap, the template. And then this is for the nugget slider itself. And I will post these on my website so that you can see those as well. I just find making the templates very handy dandy, because then if I want to make this again, I can just go find it. I have a box full of templates, and I just find that's easier than writing them down in a notebook, because like in a notebook, I just don't have a good way of I could organize them, but I'm too lazy, and this is just easier. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of all of these 3 boxes on all of these sides, and I am going to just note that we are going to make, should we do it this way or that way? This way or that way? No, I think this way is better. So this is a cut, and this is a cut, and that's a cut, and this is a cut. So the straight lines are cut lines, and the dotted lines are score lines. So I'm gonna cut both of these boxes off, and then cut this box box out. And then this one, I can cut both of these out. And actually I could have, that's right, I'm cutting this one. So cut there. Okay. I just do little V's so it's easier to adjust the box as needed. Okay, so it should look like this on each side. So I'm just gonna continue. Okay, so I've got everything cut out. And so now I'm going to add some adhesive. I'm gonna use the Stampin' Seal Plus on these 4 little square tags here, just right next to the score line. Okay, and then on the other side, I'm going to put some adhesive on the outside flaps. So the long one and the short one, because these are going to get folded over and create a nice folded edge for us on this nugget box. It also reinforces the nugget box, so I like doing the double fold. So go ahead and attach these 2 sides here, like that. And then the other 2 sides. So this one and that one. And then I'll fold the long sides down. And then these sides. So that one went down nicely. This one, let's see, there we go. Okay, so look how nice and neat that looks with the folded edges. I just really like that. I think it looks really good. Okay, so now to do the wrap, actually, I'm gonna stamp on the wrap first. So I wanna stamp a couple of spiders just on the top, hanging down, hanging out. Okay, so I'm gonna do one down here, and one up here, and one over here. The ink came out nicely that time. I was just gonna say, if it doesn't ink solidly like you want it to, you could just use a black marker to color it in. So I'm just gonna wrap this all the way around, and then I'm gonna put some of the Stampin' Seal Plus on this edge here, and then I can wrap it, and that'll give me a more precise size. So we've got our wrap and our nugget box slider, and so it fits 4 nuggets. And of course we have to decorate the nuggets. So I have little strips, 1-inch strips, and you can make them 2 inches tall or 3 inches tall. I prefer the 3 inches tall, but these were just scraps and they will work. So I'm just gonna use them up. So just put adhesive in the middle or on both of the edges or all of the above. And you could color these, like I could color these purple. That would probably be good to do, but I already stuck this on. So I'm not gonna worry about it because it's just gonna get taken off and eaten anyways. So we'll just slide that on in there, and then we'll do the other ones. Okay, so I've already cut out the label and the hat and the witch, although I'm gonna do a few little cutting adjustments on the witch to kind of make that a little bit more uniform. And then down here a little bit more too. Okay, that's a little bit better. And I'm going to stamp in Gorgeous Grape, Which Way to the Candy. Just right in the middle there. And that's gonna be on dimensionals. This is on dimensionals. And then just for fun, I'm going to cut the middle buckle out of the black hat. Whoops. And then I'm just gonna glue dot it onto the purple hat. Give the hat a little bit of variety in color here. And you could do that the other way around as well. A glue dot might be too big, so I'll just do a tiny bit of glue. And then tweezers. And then we'll just put a little black buckle on her hat. I think that's so cute, like that. Totally looks better. Okay, so now some dimensionals. So we'll do 2 on here, and then I'm gonna trim off 2 dimensionals here, and 1 for the hat. So let's go like that. And that. Then we can add the label. Super cute. Maybe right there. And then we'll add the witch over here. And then we'll add the hat. And then I'm gonna color some of this ribbon. The last step I'm gonna do here is just add some of these fun, cute little stars. So I'll do 1 big one and 2 little ones. So I should have put the bow on later. So there you have your fun little nugget box. I really like the way that hat turned out, so I'm going to do it to the other one. I'm offering a free class, including these treat boxes, when you purchase the Frightfully Cute bundle. Just use my current hostess code and email me and let me know that you would like this kit. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial on this cute Halloween treat box with the Frightfully Cute bundle. Don't forget to check out my other videos with the Frightfully Cute bundle. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know anytime a video is posted. And did you see my cat just walk by? You can say hi to my cat Pepper too. All right, thanks for joining me and I'll see you next time. Bye.